Hello YouTube. Can't do much exploring when it's raining out. So I've been working on my frequency generator. It's, what is it? It's an SG1144/U. I guess it's pretty old. I have the manual for it. See, it's 1980 operator's manual, and all the schematics for it and everything are in here. I can't believe this damn thing. I mean, look at this. See those? They all came out of this generator. They're all, are they called Tantalum Capacitors? Is that the right way to say it? But every one of these is shorted. And I've changed two in the past already in this thing, and they were shorted as well. So I don't know if this is just a bad run of capacitors. There's no name on them, like as far as manufacturer's concerned. But yeah, honest to God, I've already changed to date 6 of them, I believe. You see, I have the power supply out here. And there's more of them. I should just change every frickin' one of them. But it's a pretty robust unit, as you can see. It's built very well. A lot of cables, a lot of boards. These all unplug and just pull out. And I labeled all the different modules that are in it. A7, A8, A10, A12, whatever. But yeah, honestly, I should change every one of these damn capacitors. Every freaking one of them. I can't believe how many are shorting it. And why? Why are they shorting? It's like, was this thing hit by lightning when I was using it or something? I don't get it. I really don't get it. Honestly. But yeah, if you guys ever need any information about this, I said I have all the schematics for it. And, you know, all the parts layout and everything else. And it's pretty complicated. I almost got it working 100%. I'm still trying to get one thing to work properly on it. And, oh shit. And I don't like where that is. I was ready to flip the power on, but I see that screw sitting there. That wouldn't have been a good thing. Yeah, definitely not. Yeah, I was going to power it on and show it to you. It has a counter on it. It has, you know, RF output, a level control. It has modulation. The only thing that's wrong with it is the FM modulation don't work. I don't know why. I'm still working on that problem with it. But everything else does work. And it goes from like 50, the range of it is like 50 kilohertz all the way up to, well, it only goes up to like about, what is that, 90 megahertz? I think I'm saying that right, yeah. Yeah, 90 megahertz is the highest range it goes up to. But I said for putzing around, you know, and working on my bench, I don't mind it. But I'd like to get it working 100%. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. Please subscribe. And we'll see you all again later. Bye-bye.